Good morning, everybody. All right, well, last night, or either late yesterday evening, we're not sure. We went and looked at her last night. We had Daddy had a new calf. So, see, I'm walking over here now so I can show y'all. See if I can see where they're at right now. Well, here's the calves, but I don't see the mama and the baby. So let me go see if we can find them somewhere. Don't see. All right, well, we got to go walk and see if we can find them. But anyway, while I'm doing that, we'll talk about today. It's a chance of rain today, so I don't know exactly what I will get to do if it does rain. But I gotta go. Well, matter of fact, in just a minute, when we get through, I'll try to find this calf and show y'all. I'm gonna go and open a gate over where the bulls are at. We'll check. I hadn't checked on them today neither, so we'll go over there and check on the bulls, and I'm gonna make sure the fence, make sure we don't have no issues on the other side, and open a gate and let them get in on some new grass. And all right, anyway, what I was saying, I'm gonna go and run town, get Jessica, and I imagine me and her go eat, and I'm gonna go pay some bills. The calf was nowhere to be found, so we know the calf's okay. Daddy got up early this morning and went out and looked at him, or looked at her, said it's a little heifer, so Mama's just got it laid up. So we'll get a peek of it before the day's up, and I'll show y'all. Right now I'm over here with the bulls, and well, you can see they've eat that grass down over there. But starting right over there, all back in behind them trees and around, much longer to wait, and they're gonna be able to go see the ladies. Get all the goods in them. So, come on, boys. These new bulls are like, well, I don't know what you're doing. Let's get this gate to may work on the fence, and I don't know. We're gonna try to locate the calf. We got one's leading the way. Mine's leading the way. He's finally said, let's go try it out. Oh, he's trying. Come on, in this case, the grass is greener on the other side. Anyway, guys, I'm fixing to run. Like I said, I'm finna go pay some bills, and go get Jessica, take her to eat lunch, and gonna come back, and depending on the weather, we're gonna try to locate the calf, and gonna try to get some holes punched to put the corner in the ground and get that project going. I don't know, I have to look, make sure there ain't no more dirt work we need to do, fill in any holes or anything like that, but we'll be able to start putting T-posts down there, and then it'll just be a matter of getting my son, he wants to build all the others, so we'll get him some pipe put down and he can build and weld down there the other stuff. So, but anyway, all right, let me get going. And these bulls, they're eventually gonna get out. We'll come back over here in a little while and check on them to make sure they're good. But all the fences was good. I went around the whole thing. Change of plans here to front end stuff. Do what? I said we got to change the plans on my day for front end work. Hey, pop your hood. And let's see if we can get to them bolts on the top.
Nice, you know.
Huh?
A ratchet would be nice.
But I got a ratchet wrench right here. You can start getting broke loose with that one. Well, I said pop your hoods, we can get under it and see if we can get those other bolts. Let me see, I don't think I can get to it. Well, we might get to it. I'm getting to it right here. Go and take these bolts off so we can get the struts out to change the A-arms. Alright, I got this. Bring the impact over and let's take this loose one and get the shock out on this side, or the strut out. Having to take the strut out because them bolts right there don't want to come out without that. Get this one close here. And then you go do the other side. Give me that. Oh, you almost get it. Give me some slack, bud. Yes, sir, I did.
Get them bolts out. Yeah, if we're gonna do the other side, let's get the piece of wood working over there.
Yeah, go and get your piece of wood for this side. Do what, Eddie?
Go get them bolts out and get them.
We're finna do, finna pull the strut out.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it ain't. The struts together.
I'm gonna go down and get them two raggedy bales of hay I had the other day. I'm gonna feed one here and feed one across the road.
Okay.
I got them done then. All right, we'll go. Check up on it. I'll put that out there. Mom, just looking at it. They didn't even come over and smell it.
Oh, the bolt just holding it. I think. Hold this up here. Hold your arm up right here. Let's see. Oh.
You mind? Well, the bolts get out right there.
Okay, you can grab the other one. Okay. Let's see. Get these out now. All right. Hand me the new one. This is what we're replacing. Hey, upper control arm, huh? Alright, let's see here. Get you, where's your bolt at? I got hoops here, I'm trying to. On what it needs.
Oh, I think so. Push it forward.
It should be right there pretty close on that one.
Push it forward.
Forward. Can't see, well, I know this one I'm hung up back here. What it is. I gotta get this one back out. I gotta get above this bolt here. Okay, there we go. Now we can get it. Easy to work with.
Stop moving.
Okay. Get your other one. Where's it at? Right here. There you go. Now let's see if we can get this back in. Let me get watch my phone right here. Let me sit down here. Oh, phone, get my butt. Got this water everywhere. Get some nuts. Start one there. Got one started?
Yeah.
Okay. Get the bolt, go back in here. Right here. Let me see.
Joe coming back today?
Hey?
Joe.
Joe.
Joe Lee.
Who is that?
He just left here.
No, he ain't coming back today. No, they done. I know who you was talking about. That's you talking about your kinfolk?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, they done.
What'd they build? What'd they build, Joe?
That shed back there. Whew. Well, I thought Daddy's finna come through here. He's got some old hay we still got left. He was finna put out for the cows, I thought. Oh. There he is. Hay's falling apart. Let me get back over here on this truck. All right, guys, we were sitting here working on the my son's truck, trying to fix all the front end stuff on it. And I looked, and we're walking out there, but if you look right there, you don't know if you can even see it. It's still so far, but that's Daddy's new calf. So I just seen him walking around. She's had him hid all day. So we're gonna walk out here and get y'all a look at it. Or look at her, excuse me. This one is off one of Daddy's Longhorns. I think it's she's the only Longhorn left in this pasture. So this little heifer calf is a half Longhorn, half Gilvy. Look like she's getting along good. I don't know where she's carrying it. She had it last night back up in there. I took my thermal last night and seen them up in there, and we walked out here and looked at them. There it is. She ain't gonna get still. Let me get too close. Come here, baby. Yeah. What is it, mama? Come here, mama. Come here, mama. We want to see you, baby. Look at there. There it is. Pretty little thing. But little heifer calf. So, all right, we're gonna leave them alone. That's her first calf. So, anyway, all right, guys. I'm gonna get back up here, help him get his truck finished. That was we had some parts come in. We've had some upper control arms ordered for it. So I went to town, got him some tires mounted, because them was wore out that was on there from the A-arms, and while we was doing that, we found the stabilizer bushings was out, so I went and got stabilizer bushings for it. So anyway, that's what we're trying to get him done, and hopefully it's about 450 right now. So our plans are is to get done with this and go down there and try to get 3 holes punched. You can see how dark it is around us. So it's sprinkled once or twice today, but it hadn't rained yet. So, but anyway, let's get up here and get his truck finished, and then maybe we can go get a few holes punched in the ground. All right, I know I didn't get much filmed on my truck, my son's truck. It was just kind of tight quarters, and people kept walking up and back and forth. So anyway, I'll post a few little clips of us fixing the front end stuff. But it's 6:30 now, and we're fixing to go down here and try to get this corner put in and get it setting up. So do a little filming there. All right, a little more. Walk right there. Go ahead. Wow, he ain't in here already. It's drilling a little bit crooked. Can you ease up a little bit? Yeah, it is.
Looks to me like it needs to
Oh, right there. Go ahead. The lift, the arm is adjusted off, so it wants to kick it over to one side.
Make sure that thing on the bottom is cleaned off. We'll go digging at.
Can you measure this? Uh-oh. Tape measure's broke. Well, my help didn't come with me. Y'all gotta bear with me here. Let me see if I can get this put down, if I can get a measurement. All right, we measuring here so we can get center hole. So we're gonna be 7 foot on the money, should get it.
What you want me to do?
She said,
I can say hello. It's Mama here.
Mama here.
If the camera's not pointed right, it's Mama's fault. There you go. Woo!
Oh, well, somewhat finished project, huh? Just gotta get some Sack Creek tomorrow for this hole. Everything else is good. All right, guys. I don't know if y'all, how good y'all can see, but I run over here to check on the bulls, and I don't see the bulls unless they're up in the woods back there. I done hollered for them. Oh well, I'll go home. I'll go get my thermal. We'll come back and I'll see if I can. Well, I hear something now. I hear them, something out there. Oh yeah, I see them. Y'all won't be able to see them, but if you look, they're right there. I know it's gonna be too dark for y'all to see, but anyway, guys, all right, this has been I guess you could call it an eventful day. My son had some parts come in for his truck, just some upper control arms, and we started on that project, and then that led to going to get tires mounted, and then we found other bushings and stuff that was bad, and then we decided to change the brakes on the other side. We'd bought the brakes, had to put some on here a while back because the brakes locked up on him in town. But anyway, that led into taking up the majority of the day, running back and forth to town, getting stuff. And anyway, I wanted to run back over here and check on these bulls. I wanted to come over here and do it in the daylight since we'd put them over there, which I walked the fence this morning and everything was good, but still, them two bulls going into another new area that they hadn't been in yet. Just wanted to check on them. So, but anyway, guys, we got the corner put in. It was little more to it than what should have been, but anyway, we got it all took care of anyway. So, all right, guys, we're gonna sign it off here. I got to go home. I think we got to go clean some fish. My son's got some fish they caught a bunch, so we're finna go home and clean fish and get cleaned up and get ready to shut it down for the night. It's like I said, it's been a day. So, but anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't yet, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, give us some comments, and I appreciate y'all watching, guys. See y'all later.